Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Brother Not Brother. Hi Grant. This is weird.
So today we have some different things we're going to be trying.
Here we go.
Grant what we think of them.
These are snacks edition.
Yeah, snacks / breakfast.
Yeah.
I mean, really as an adult, do you call Pop-Tarts breakfast or are they just a snack?
It's just a snack.
Yeah.
So, what do you want to start with?
Should we start with Pop-Tarts since we mentioned Pop-Tarts?
So the first one.
Oh, it's too far away.
Boston cream pie.
Yeah.
And we toasted it per Blonde Bombshell's request.
Yeah. Should have known that. Ooh. What's the inside look like? It is.
Looks like a cream pie. Right?
It's a custard filling.
Wow, that was really good. Oh wow.
Does it really come into competition with s'mores?
What?
S'mores Pop-Tart. This really goes into competition with it.
And it's not limited time either, so it's gonna be staying here for a while. Maybe.
What we know about.
Wow. That's really good.
I can't understand it. I mean, it smells.
It tastes like a Boston cream pie though, like a Boston cream donut, I mean.
I would even say it's more like a Boston cream pie than a Boston cream donut. But I don't
Really
know
good.
what the difference is. Okay, try the other donut.
Next one is frosted apple fritter. You may take the bacon.
Breaking one?
The breaking one?
Broken. Very much donut-esque here, isn't it?
Yeah, the apple. Ooh. That's good.
But what's the difference between this and like an apple one?
I don't know. I mean, it kind of reminds me of like the McDonald's apple fritters. Because you have the apple filling and then the crunch of the empanada or whatever.
The crust?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Not bad.
More cinnamon.
Yeah.
But it's good. It's good. Let's go on to the next kind of dessert type
thing. Twinkies glazed bouncers.
Yeah. They also have it in chocolate.
Yes. Classic chocolate.
Ding dongs.
Oh, so this is just regular flavor. Then there's cinnamon and chocolate. So we'll have to find those.
But the chocolate ones are for the ding dongs. So your typical ding dong chocolate.
Gotcha.
With their cream center. Snackable, poppable, shareable. We'll see how shareable they are.
There's only 3 of them, so it's kind of an odd number. Yeah.
We'll root them out. Well, you gotta snack one, pop one, and then share one. Guess you're only getting one, babe.
I guess so.
All right.
They're definitely glazed, like.
It's essentially a glazed Twinkie.
That's very sweet. Woo!
Sugar.
That was a lot of sugar.
My mouth is buzzing.
I don't know if you guys saw what they look like.
It's like a donut hole. So,
yeah.
A little oversweet.
Too sweet. Way too sweet.
I mean, I'm sure kids
will love it.
I think that's great. As an adult, I think we're a little more sensitive to sugar than we used to be. Let's go do no.
Nope.
Let's go chocolate because
chocolate.
I've kind of been sticking with that. And then before we start going.
So there's 2 new Reese's out there. Reese's potato chips, and Reese's pretzel.
But they're called
Big Cups.
Big Cups.
Because they look like they're really big cups.
But it shows like that there's pieces of it in it.
Yeah, and this one is the same, like pretzel.
Oh my
Holy
gosh,
Nikes.
Each one?
Each one. Look at that.
I'm gonna get diabetes from tonight. There's so much.
You need milk. Crunchy.
Okay.
Yep.
So
We should just share one. I tried telling you that.
I think it's on record. Each one?
Each one.
Well,
That's not bad, but
I think there needs to be more pretzel.
more pretzel?
Like there's too much peanut butter and chocolate.
Oh, I feel like they didn't have to do a big cup. Regular size pretzel, like Reese's would be good. This one I'm curious about, potato chip.
Yeah, I'm just curious because, I mean, I like salty and sweet things, so I definitely see the appeal. We're gonna share?
Yeah, let's share.
Okay. This one you can see a potato chip on the top. Or something.
Mold.
I don't know if these things mold because there's so much sugar in it. Preserve it.
Crunchy.
That's kind of surprising.
Salty. I like this more.
Really? I feel like the pretzel fits more for a dessert.
I don't get salt
Changes it
though.
up. You don't get the salt in the pretzel?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I totally got salt in the pretzel. I still got salty with this, but like I said, I just think it needs more. There's too much chocolate and peanut butter to the chip or pretzel.
Ratio.
Yeah, it just needs a little bit more. Like, just not enough. At least not for me.
It's good, but
It was good. It's fun to try. If you like salty and sweet stuff, and you're a big Reese's fan, it's worth a try.
yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. Let's go with,
Those ones?
yeah.
Okay.
Erica found Starburst Air Gummies, and these are sour tropical. Kiwi, strawberry, pineapple, passion fruit, and mango.
So this one is,
Kiwi, strawberry.
huh?
I could get behind this.
No, it was really good.
You get kiwi. Like I taste kiwi.
Yep.
Big time.
That
What,
one.
that one?
What flavor is it? Is that the
Pineapple? Maybe?
hot pepper?
A little bit more sour. That is pineapple. These flavors are spot on.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Woo! Looks like a sour Jamba Juice.
No, it's really more kick. And a pink one. There's a lot of pineapple.
This is I assume mango. Right?
Yep. I like it.
Wow.
That was almost like a mango peach ring. Like a peachio. But it's like a mango version of it.
Oh, a mango.
Like-
Oh.
But tang makes me think of. I like those.
Those are really good. Those are good snack. That's like
That's easy to eat.
that's movie theater quality of a snack.
Yeah, it is.
That's really good. Starburst Air.
I like it. All right. So we have their Tart Tangy Taffy. So Kelby does not like sour things. He couldn't just in the last video. So Atomic Apple.
Oh, it didn't. Okay. Sorry. Atomic Apple. Why did you have to choose the most sour one?
I just go in order.
Ooh.
That's tart. That is way.
Ugh, my dowel.
That was way more sour than I thought. Kelby's gonna love this next one. But it's probably best that we get it out of the way so then we can use some other things to get rid of it. Charged
wait.
cherry.
Yeah, wait. I can't eat it. Can't do it.
Charged cherry.
Why, cherry? Just give me yours. Okay.
So what does it taste like?
Wow, that tastes like NyQuil through and through. Now what do we got? We got Berry Blitz.
Right on. Most mellow so far. The very end of it is super sour.
Woo!
Every time. Okay, let's see if you like this one, babe.
Lemon
You do like lemon.
launcher. I do like lemon.
Yeah, so Kelby, what's your favorite pie flavor?
Oh, key lime pie.
I don't like sour things. And also, what else do you like? Lemon bars.
Lemon bars.
Not sour, doesn't like sour things. Tart. There's a difference apparently.
There's a big difference. Yeah. Because
I'm saying, it's always the end that gets you. So in the very beginning, it's super tart. Which I think.
tart and tangy. We're getting the tangy first, and then we're getting sour. That ain't tart.
Yeah, it's hilarious. This is exactly.
Second time I've spilled water.
That's exactly what I wanted when I saw these. I was like, I want Kelby to try these because this will be hilarious.
Goodness gracious. All right, Raging Raspberry. Good flavor.
Very fake raspberry.
That's very fake.
Very blue raspberry. I might say so.
Yeah, tissue, man.
Stop chewing it. Just swallow it.
Mm-mm.
You're such a baby.
Wowie.
Well, that was a good way to end it.
That was Thank you for watching, Grant. Everybody else, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you to all of our Patreons.
Yeah, all of our Patreons are right up there. If you want to become a Patreon, go to patreon.com/brother-not-brother. Follow us on all of our social media.
If you can get the words out.
Listed down here. And Grant, let's see what you got. See you in the next episode.
Bye.